Artificial intelligence is a multidisciplinary field focusing on creating intelligent systems that perform tasks requiring human like intelligence. It replicates human cognitive abilities using computational methods. AI has evolved significantly, incorporating various approaches such as expert systems and neural networks over time.
Today, we'll delve into the foundations of AI. Let's begin with the history of artificial intelligence. In ancient times, there were philosophical discussions on creating artificial beings. The 1990s saw the rise of neural networks and connectionism, advancing pattern recognition and hybrid AI systems. In the 21st century, AI progressed rapidly with machine learning and deep learning, revolutionizing tasks like speech recognition and image processing across various domains.
Key concepts in AI include intelligent agents, problem solving techniques like search algorithms, knowledge representation, learning mechanisms such as machine learning, and perception action cycles in robotics.
Now, let's understand machine learning, a subset of AI. ML algorithms enable computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Types include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning trains models on labeled data, while unsupervised learning identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Semi-supervised learning combines both, and reinforcement learning trains agents to make decisions through trial and error.
Natural language processing focuses on computer-human language interaction. Techniques include text pre-processing, language modeling, named entity recognition (NER), part-of-speech tagging, and sentiment analysis.
NLP applications range from machine translation to text summarization and question answering systems, enhancing user experiences in personal smart devices and various domains.
Computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual information. Techniques like image processing, feature extraction, object detection, image segmentation, and convolutional neural networks are pivotal in tasks from autonomous vehicles to medical imaging.
AI development must consider ethical considerations such as bias, privacy, transparency, and accountability. Ethical guidelines and frameworks ensure AI systems benefit society responsibly.
Looking ahead, emerging trends in AI include AI-powered automation, federated learning, explainable AI, AI for social good, and addressing challenges like bias and privacy concerns.
These concepts and trends form the foundation of AI, shaping its impact on industries and society. As we explore AI further, we'll delve deeper into each area and its practical applications.